Saturday, everybody. What a stock market week. We got him. We got the trade deal finally, and everything is green. Let me show it to you. Unbelievable. So everything is green on the stock market because of this trade deal. You know, you just see everything in green here because, you know, they just announced Friday afternoon US time that they got an agreement in phase one. So everything about it and about the whole week. There's some other interesting topics like the oil. There is some CEOs that departing, a couple of companies, some changes. So let's dive into it.
Wolf of Dubai.
Okay, let's talk about first the trade deal. So this week was crazy because, you know, it started with some low-level politician talks between US and the Chinese. So what happened was, you know, it seems that the week starts good. You know, the market is up. Then it was said that it's not going further. Maybe the Chinese and the vice premier will depart earlier than expected. So the market went down. Then the market went up again when Trump tweeted that on Thursday, I think it was, that, you know, he sees good results, good hopes that this trade deal will happen. So everything goes up again, and finally on Friday, you know, on the good news, apparently there are two stages or two phases of the deal. So phase one will, they sign it already and they make everything in an agreement the next day, so the next hours. And actually, you know, this will cover some financial services, IP rights that they couldn't, you know, agree on, and so on. Trump is, you know, very happy with it. He said, like, this deal took so long because it is just tremendously good. And at least it's, you know, what I said the last couple of weeks, you know, get to a smaller deal, you know, and now they break it up into chunks. So apparently there's phase one that they just agree on, then there will be phase two that Trump says will be finalized very, very shortly, whatever this means. But however, you know, this will or brought a huge good rally to the stock market on Friday. Obviously, you know, because it was so much expected. If this wouldn't happen, you know, the stock market would look definitely much worse. So let's see how the next week will react. So let's dive into the next topic. Then news on the Fed as well this week, very important. The Fed, Jerome Powell, just announced that they will put some money into the market, buying 250 to 330 billion dollars of short-term treasury bills that will increase and ample the bank liquidities, and, you know, should stabilize the or bring the interest rates of the banks and loans and so on to the benchmarks where Fed want to have them for their further, you know, actions that they will take on the financial market. So this is something, you know, that you know, we will see how this develops. It's you know, a couple of weeks already in the news that the banks has not much liquidity, and, you know, the Fed and Jerome Powell has to put money into the system. So let's see how this develops further. Then another one for Trump. Apparently a judge, and this is very interesting because a judge finally in New York in an open court case with Trump involved ordered that Trump has to publicly announce his tax returns. And this will be very interesting because he is trying to not do this for years, and we don't know, you know, his net worth, we don't know how much taxes he pay or save and so on. So but apparently a judge in New York just you know, ordered that he need to put this tax returns publicly. So this will be very interesting as well. So the next topic is actually oil. Oil went down on Friday almost to 2% because apparently there's new turmoil here in Middle East, where a ship, a tanker of Iran, got fired with 2 missiles very early in the morning, and just in the coast of Saudi Arabia. Nothing is confirmed now, and I don't go into politics. So as this brings uncertainty to the market, obviously the oil price go up. And let's further see how this develops, and let's dive into the market's movements. So market moves this week is as follows. So the Dow Jones is plus 1.2%. The Nasdaq is 1.13%. The S&P 0.9% up. The Russell is 1% up. The Bitcoin is 5.87% up, and the German DAX index is plus 4%. So overall, everything is positive, guys, this week, and this is just because of the trade war. Let's have a look to other topics this week, and there's a couple of turmoil around CEOs of big corporations. So first big news was that actually, SAP, the German big software company, the CEO Bill McDermott decided to leave SAP, and on good terms, though. He was one of the very, very good CEOs for S&P that actually brought this company further. He started somewhere in South America as general manager and brought this company to the next level. So very, very good CEO. There's a good documentary about him on CNBC if you want to check it out. Very, very interesting. So there's 2 new co-CEOs from the board that will take over. He, though, will stay as an advisor to SAP until end of the year, which is normal in this kind of things. Another news is that CEO of Boeing is being removed as chairman. They want to split these 2 roles to make there's too much pressure on the CEO currently through this Boeing 737 MAX scandal. If you want to have know more about that, make sure to check out my Boeing stock vlog just a couple of days ago recorded. And I made a vlog about this as well, but it seems starting this Friday, yesterday, companies start to back out of Libra, beside PayPal that I just vlogged about as breaking news and maybe the end of Libra. Now other companies are joining to be removed from the coalition of the Libra cryptocurrency of Facebook. eBay backing out. Visa, MasterCard, Stripe, all announced on Friday that they will not be part of that, and towards end of the month, on the 23rd of October, Mark Zuckerberg will be in front of the US government to explain this cryptocurrency. So very, very interesting in the next couple of days and weeks. What will happen with Libra? First was very, very promising, and the other was is with this backing out of the companies. Let's see what the future will really be. So make sure to stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and thumb up. See you tomorrow.